North Carolina's new bathroom bill isn't just about where you can pee. It's one of the most wide-reaching anti-LGBT bills in the country, and it's got a lot of people worried. Basically, the law says transgender people must use the bathroom that corresponds to the biological sex listed on their birth certificate, not their gender identity. Supporters of the law say it's protecting women by preventing predators from claiming to be transgender in order to access women's restrooms. But there's a big problem with this reasoning. There are no documented cases of it happening. But there are plenty of documented cases of violence against transgender women who are at risk when forced to use the men's bathroom. This law, which was quickly signed in an emergency session, also undoes all the LGBT anti-discrimination policies passed by cities in the state. That means that cities that had anti-discrimination laws, like those about jobs and housing, can no longer enforce them. Now, North Carolina is just one of many states with a negative track record when it comes to protecting gender identity. In 2015 alone, 21 laws limiting transgender rights were passed in the US, and in the first 3 months of this year, 44 more were introduced. In addition to policing bathrooms, these laws keep people from getting IDs that match their gender identity and transgender prisoners from getting transition-related drugs. But is any of this constitutional? Opponents say no, and a federal lawsuit has already been brought against North Carolina saying the new law violates the 14th Amendment because it singles out LGBT people for discrimination. And North Carolina's Attorney General says he won't defend the new law in court. Businesses have also spoken out against the law, including companies with a big presence in North Carolina, like PayPal, Bank of America, and Dow Chemical. Even the NBA has said this could cost the state a chance to host an all-star game. That's a big deal for a state where basketball comes second only to religion. One big question remains: how will they even enforce the new law?